How to remove Threads follower from your profile. In order to remove followers on Threads, you just need to open up your Threads app onto your device. Also make sure that your application is completely up to date and that you're logged in. Now what you need is basically you want to open the Threads app from your device, and you want to go to the profile from the bottom right corner of the screen. There you just want to make sure to go ahead and select followers. Here it is. And what you want to do is you just want to make sure to scroll through the list, and you just want to make sure to go ahead and do this. And here you have following, right? You could just go ahead and tap the three dot icon, and there you have unfollow. And this way you're supposed to remove Threads followers from your profile. And likewise, you could also tap the three dot and you have these remove followers. You could also do this, and this way you're supposed to remove Threads followers from your profile. With that being said, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.